Hi, this is me, Priya, your
Hi,
host from Bollywood Buzz Radio Fazza 97.1 FM. And today I am here with the lovely Indian actress Swastika Mukherjee. Hi, Swastika,
hi,
how are you?
hi. I'm good. How are you?
I am good too, thank you. So today we'll be
Thanks.
talking about your new web series, Black Widows, that got released on the 18th of December on Z5. And you are the main leading strong characters with Shamita Shetty and Mona Singh. So first
Yeah,
of all, congratulations, but also
thank
happy
you.
belated birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So how do you feel so far with all the great reviews you have been receiving so far?
It's great. It feels amazing, and we are all finishing the year on a good note, and
Yeah.
yeah, people are appreciating the show and they're binge watching it, so it feels very good. Thank you so much.
This is cool because I've been seeing on your Instagram as well, you have been posting that the reviews are raining down, and I was like, wow, this is great. So I can imagine finishing the year like this must be amazing.
Yeah,
So,
thank
could you
you.
please tell me what is Black Widows about?
Black Widows is about these three women, Jayati Sardesai, Kavita, and Veera Mehrotra, who um, want to get justice and want to get back their lives and want to taste freedom, but on their own terms. And we've shown it in the trailer as well that they kill their husbands, and then what happens in their life and how things unravel and how they keep fighting to get back their lives is what the show is all about. Yeah, there's a lot of humor and a lot of action. Yeah, it's comedy. There's grief. There's the full package of entertainment is there. And yeah, and women are leading the pack though. So I think for me that was most exciting.
Like strong women. So, as I've seen,
Yeah,
you are quite
strong
familiar
women.
working in web series. So, do you prefer to work for movies or do you enjoy more working for web series?
Um, I think as an actor, there's no, real specification as to you don't really have a different set pattern of acting and performing for web series or films. And given the pandemic situation, I think people are focusing more on web series because people are finding it difficult to release the films in theaters, and there are a lot of security issues, protocols, do's and don'ts. So people are not going to the theaters to watch films. And I think producers and filmmakers are wanting to make films for OTT. So it's not only web series that's happening. There's a lot of films that are happening for OTT as well. And yeah, so as an actor, I would want to do good work, whether it's
Mhm.
films or it's web series or it's short films, whatever gives me a credible space to perform. And if I love the script as an actor, I'm up for it. It's fine whether it's releasing in the hall or it's releasing on OTT. People should get to see my work. That
Mhm.
is what is important.
Yes, this is true. So, talking about the script, so what was your reaction when you got offered this project? Like, what were your expectations?
See, but if you're doing something, you would always expect your audience to watch it, and you would expect them to appreciate all the hard work that goes in. When I was offered Black Widows, I was very excited because I've really not seen um, women-oriented shows happening in on Indian OTT platforms, and where women were taking the call, and it was about women and it was for women. So yeah, it was exciting because I could be a part of something uh, where we were telling a very important story, given the time and the society we are living in. And yeah, women were leading the pack. So yeah, it's I think for all actors it was exciting that we are doing something where um, it's quite a slap on the patriarchy. So yeah, it was
True.
fun.
So in the cast, as I said earlier, we have Shamita Shetty and Mona Singh playing the role of your best friends, so like best friends in the real life too.
It was we had a great time. We had lots of fun, and yeah, I think from wherever we were always communicating through the balcony or through the windows. We were going to work together, coming back from work together. We were having breakfast, lunch, dinner together. So yeah, a lot of women bonding happened, and the connection has stayed on even after the shoot. We are in touch and we keep chatting with each other. And yeah, it's amazing because you don't make a lot of friends at your workplace,
Hmm.
and at this age, I don't think you make friends at all. You hold on to the ones that are already there in your life. So yeah, me, Mona, and Shamita, I think we became quite close, and me and Shamita, I think we talk more. I speak to her more than I speak to Mona. But yes, I
This
think the
is.
chemistry that we had personally really showed in front of the camera, so people are quite liking that bonding.
I'm gonna pay more attention to this now. Between you and Shamita, I will do this. So, Black Widows is a comedy thriller web series. So, do you have some funny behind the scenes moment to share with us? Like maybe shooting a serious suspense scene and then something funny happened. Do you have something to share?
Uh, yeah, we were shooting serious scenes all the time, and funny things happened. Yeah, somebody might have forgotten the line. In a very serious, I think in an action scene, I had started laughing, and I think Shamita had her stilettos or her slippers had flew off once, and they were always happening when the scenes were very serious and we were supposed to be really angry or rude or a lot of dialogues and all of that. And yeah, somebody's there was some malfunctioning of wardrobe happening, or shoes were flying off, or we were forgetting lines. And yeah, and me and Mona, we laugh very loudly. We are not very silent, decent. uh, our laughs are not very, shy people. So we laugh very loudly. And there was all we were laughing, and then the director said roll an action, and we were still laughing, and we had to tell them that give us 5 minutes. We'll go out of the set, we'll just calm ourselves down, and we'll come back and give the shot. And me and Mona, we told each other that don't look at me, huh? Because the moment I'm looking at you, I'm getting back to that zone of I can't control myself. Yeah, so all of that happened, and we were always scared that we are going to get a lot of scolding. But yeah, we are we are old enough not to get scolded by our directors. But yes,
Yeah.
a lot of mess happened.
I think there is always a little kid inside of us, so I can understand when you have like a laugh that can't stop, and then when you look at each other, you're gonna just
Yeah,
remember that
yeah.
thing.
Yeah, so and there was no particular reason, like there was no reason why we were laughing. It just something happened, and we were like constantly telling each other, "Don't look at us. Don't look at it. Don't look at me. Look somewhere else and act. Don't look at me," because the moment our eyes met, there we were just erupting, and yeah, it was embarrassing, but we couldn't help ourselves. So it
That
was
must be
fun.
funny to watch. So I guess this is the end of this fab interview with you. Thank you so much for your time,
Thank you,
Swastika, and wish you
thank
best
you,
of luck
Priya.
for your Black Widow's
Thank you,
journey. And it was lovely talking to you, and you look so beautiful.
thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Same.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye
Bye
bye and
bye.
happy new year to you, Priya.